Hi everyone, Michael from Lightlytics here, and in this short video I'm going to discuss a little bit about Terraform's new feature, which is called Run Tasks. The Run Task feature enables to run custom actions between the Terraform Plan stage and the Terraform Apply stage. Lightlytics is utilizing the Run Task feature in order to trigger the Lightlytics simulation and show you in a simple and efficient manner whether the intent of a certain proposed change via Terraform is going to be met and whether you are going to experience interferences with existing infrastructure in aspects of availability, redundancy, and even security. In order to demonstrate that, I will be focusing on a specific example where a certain EC2 instance should be able to communicate with a certain DynamoDB. In the Lightlytics discovery screen, I can see here that the connection between the EC2 instance and the DynamoDB is unable to be established, and Lightlytics indicates the exact blocker between the source and the destination of my query. I can see here that I don't have the appropriate IAM permission in order to make this connection to work, so I can examine the actual IAM role that is used for this communication, and also I can inspect the IAM policy that is associated with this specific IAM role. Upon examining the permission, I can see here that I don't have any DynamoDB permission, so I must go back to the Terraform template and add the appropriate permission. This is the Terraform template that actually created these resources, and as you can see here, I don't have any DynamoDB permission. So I'm going to add the appropriate permission, I'm going to save the file, and I'm going to hit Terraform Apply in my console. As soon as I hit Terraform Apply, Terraform Cloud will intercept the proposed change and show me that in the Terraform Cloud console. This is the workspace I have in the Terraform Cloud repository, so I will be going to the Runs tab, so I will be able to see the current run and all the previous runs that I executed. As soon as I hit the current run, I can see that the plan is finished, the task passed, and it is pending for my approval to apply the changes. Upon clicking on the tasks passed, I can see here a details that contains a link to the dedicated simulation in the Lightlytics platform. So I'll hit the details tab and it will take me to the certain Lightlytics simulation that was triggered. In the Lightlytics simulation screen, what I can see here, I can see the actual platform that created this simulation, in this case, the Terraform Cloud. I can see the actual workspace, I can see the run ID, and also the GitHub user that created this simulation. On the left sidebar, I can see all the resources that participated in the Terraform template and was modified, deleted, or created. Upon clicking on the specific resource, I can examine the exact configuration. And as you can see here, I added the DynamoDB permission. And the most important thing, I can see the impact analysis of the proposed change. In the main screen of the simulation, I can see the impact analysis and what my AWS account is going to look like if I'm going to approve the changes. Lightlytics indicates that I will be having a new connection and from the EC2 instance to the DynamoDB. I can see the full configuration from the source to the destination, and also I can see the exact resource that was modified and allowed this connection to be happening. I can see that it is going through a DynamoDB endpoint through the DynamoDB backbone network using this specific IAM policy, and the connection will be successful if I'm going to approve the changes. I'm going to hit yes in my CLI in order to approve the changes, and after that I will be able to track the progress and the events in Lightlytics Events tab. In the Events tab, I can monitor all the activity in my AWS account and see their impact analysis. So after approving the changes in my Terraform template, I can examine them in the Events tab, and I can see that now, indeed, the DynamoDB instance can communicate with the DynamoDB table, and I can confirm that in the discovery screen. So for the final part, I will now make sure in the discovery screen that the EC2 instance is able to communicate with the DynamoDB. So in the source, I will insert the appropriate EC2 instance. In the destination, I will insert the DynamoDB table. And now indeed, Lightlytics indicates that the connection is fully functioning and I have no blocker from the source to the destination. So if you want to get started, just go to lightlytics.com, sign up for free, and we will provide you with a dedicated environment free of charge. Thank you for viewing, and I hope this was informative.